Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today is Wednesday 1st. Now, I have like six, seven videos to make once both Fable and GBT 5.6 all release, and they are all about like making new projects. So, honestly, I don't want to even bother using all the low level stuff that we currently have. Just want the top tier. So, today, technically, we are getting back Fable 5. And since I need some videos to like fill the gap, today I'm gonna show you a software that I'm falling in love recently. It's called Pi. This is my Pi. It has the same color as the little stupid ASCII art that I have here. And it's probably gonna be different than yours. And this is the whole point of this video. Pi is an amazing harness, first of all, but the most crucial thing is that it's fully customizable. Now, I showed a bit of it in the last video where we made the little thing in this right corner. If you see, like when I write something, it starts this stupid animation. This was one of the examples of how to customize Pi. And in this video, I want to leave just one thing like rent free in your mind. This is the most customizable agent you are gonna live for. Does that make sense? I don't know. If you try it, it will. What are my use cases for it? First of all, Pi is a general agent, but a lot of people use it as a coding agent, and it's awesome at it. It's just an harness like the others. For coding specifically, I still prefer Codex, and to be specific, the Codex desktop app because it's super easy to use. It's beautiful. It has browser use by default and a lot of like out of the box stuff that I love. But I use Pi for literally everything else that is not SE. So let me show you first of all how Pi can customize itself. Do you need to go to strange configs and tell him to I don't know. I cannot even create a funny thing about like how to customize this kind of stuff because nowadays, if you have whatever agents, it doesn't need to be Pi, it could be Codeps, it could be Cloud Code, etc. And they have full access. They can literally customize a whole Linux box or a macOS system like super easily. The know about Windows because I'm not a Windows user, but it should be more or less the same. So first of all, we are gonna talk about extensions. Extensions are the main customizable thing about Pi. An extension is literally an extension of what Pi can do. And I will show you that by let me just grab my browser real quick. Here we go. And let's go to File and let's get the new Gemini Flash Light image model. Nano Banana to Nano Banana Light. Here we go. This is the new Nano Banana model. It's super fast, amazing to use. It is quite cheap. What we are going to do is we are gonna go here and here. We are gonna copy all this and we are gonna say, hey, please create an extension that uses file with Nano Banana Flashlight and helps me create images. Here we go. As you can see here, I'm using GLM 5.2 on Xi, and let's see. Another thing I forgot, use the file key you have in my Doppler. So for people who don't know, Doppler is just a secret manager, so I don't need to keep secrets on my machine. And you can do the same with whichever password manager you prefer. It could be the one password one, Bitwarden.
Is really useful.
And after a bit of waiting, here we go. Now what we do, we can reload our Pi, and we can say, for example, I don't know, first of all, let me move from the base directory. Let's go to personal. Let's open Pi again. We didn't need to close it, just the slash reload was enough, but I needed to change directory. And we can do either slash image, or we can just ask to generate an image. Generate an image of a flying pie. Let's see. Come on, Jalan, you can do it. Here we go. You see that we are, and here we go. We have our image. Can you make the pie with chocolate? Let's see. And now we have a chocolate pie. And this was just a stupid example of the extensibility that Pi has. Like this took really one prompt, and now we have a custom image generation tool for it. And you can use this with literally every use case that you need it for. Now with extensions and skills, you don't even need most of the MCP's connections and different things. Just call APIs through the skills or through extensions, and you're good to go. Now, again, that's basically it. To get your model into it, you just do slash login, and you either use a subscription or API key. In my case, I'm using an API key with GLM and a subscription with ChatGPT to have GPT 5.5. You can switch model with just slash model. You have all your models. You can, I don't know, use the exclamation point to just run commands. You can do basically everything that you can do in most harnesses, but this is literally yours. And now I just wanna cite the website of Phi for the last thing that I'm gonna say. There are many agent harnesses, but this one is yours. It's really yours. And yeah, I gave you a new shiny toy. It's time to play with it, at least until we get the new Fable or the new GPT 5.6 solved. For today, that's it. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.